guys, you're watching another video. Today is gonna be a lit vlog. I'm pretty sure there's a huge car meet going on tonight. I think it's gonna be insane, bro. I've seen everybody posting it. They haven't done a car meet in a very long time. I don't really get too excited for car meets that often anymore, but these in particular, they get really lit and they have a lot of supercars, a lot of cool cars, and should be pretty cool. Right now we have the homie Jimmy here in the NSX, the red NSX with the white TEs. So clean. And then we got his homie with the E46 M3, bro. Sheesh, clean. But yeah, this is the squad today, and we're about to go meet up with the homie Kicks and I think some other guys at the gas station. So let's go. Please smash the like button right now, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already, and let's get into the vlog. It should be pretty lit. Guys, we made it to the gas station. There's a lot of sick cars right here. We got the homies Golf R. We got the Porsche GT3. This thing is beautiful. Look at the wheels. There's literally hearts on the wheels, guys. Look at all the hearts. That's crazy. And they're center lock. And then we have Jimmy's NSX on TEs. My GTR, of course. E46 M3. Oh, he has a car in it. Alright guys, before we get too far, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Simply Carbon Fiber. You guys all know Simply Carbon Fiber if you guys have been watching my videos for a while. I absolutely love all their products, but they make these really cool carbon fiber wallets, bro. They're very slim. Probably my favorite wallet. I've been rocking this for like over a year now. It has real carbon fiber. It looks really, really sick. It's super slim, so it fits in all my pockets when I wear skinny jeans and stuff like that. It holds all my cards in here. It has a money clip on the back so you can put your money. But the best thing is it's carbon fiber, and it gets so many compliments, bro, because it looks so good. Everyone asks me where to get it, and right now is the time, guys. Right now they're doing a Valentine's Day sale. It ends on Valentine's Day, so go right now, go to their website. You get 25% off all of their products, and they also got something cool going on right now for Valentine's Day. They got these carbon fiber hearts that you can put on little keychains and stuff like that. Regular carbon fiber weave, and then they got right here the forged carbon fiber design. These are sick. You can put them on your keychain or for like a gift for Valentine's Day. Any girls that are watching your video, this could be a gift for your boyfriend or something. You can put in his keychain. Right now they're doing a buy one get one free on these little carbon fiber hearts just until Valentine's Day. So go right now, go to their website, grab one of their products, all carbon fiber stuff, 25% off plus buy one get one free on the hearts. And shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into the video. And we have the homies GTR with the polished wheels, TEs as well. Sheesh, look at this sick ass race car, bro. That shit's sick. Looks so clean, bro. Damn, BMW and a Supra. Guys, everyone's on TEs here, literally.
Don't get that close.
Why are you touching my boy's fitment, bro?
Hey, bro, come on.
Leave his fitment alone.
Jeez.
That's how you're supposed to be. Slammed.
Supposed to.
He's a race car, show car, and everything. Yeah, my does not look like this, brother. I wish. This is the cleanest Z, bro. Like, it's insanely clean. This makes me want one, even though I have one, but mine should just not look like this. All right, guys, we are out. Damn, that GT3 sounds sick. Oh my god, that shit sounds crazy. Bro, that shit is loud. I can already tell if he full throttles that car, it's gonna be screaming, bro. Cause he's barely on the gas. This should be a sick little cruise. There's a lot of cars here with us. Guys, it's so crazy that I feel like I play real life video games, bro. I feel like we're always in real life Need for Speed. God damn, bro. All these BMW burbles, bro. but a cop is pulling in with us. I'm scared. I don't even want to go in front of him, bro. Sheriff too, bro. Those are the guys that give state refs. Good thing my GTR is stock though. Damn, there's a bunch of sick cars here already. Oh my god, bro. Why do you always get me with that? Bro, this dude's funny with his voices, bro. My boy has the funniest girl voice, bro. What the? E92?
Good, Nick.
What's up, bro? Man, that shit's hard. Furcon. Damn, look at that front bumper, all carbon fiber. That is beautiful, bro. Damn, look at this, guys. RA. With the ski box on top. That shit's crazy. And a Nismo GTR. Is that Fresh Kicks? Or is that Fresh Kicks? Or is that Drake?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Big fan, bro. Big fan. Oh my god.
All the homies. Other homies.
What's up, bro?
All the homies are here, bro.
Yep.
Everybody. And this place is packed already, guys. Look at all this. So many people and cars. Freaking packed, bro. There's so many cars. There's like nowhere to park, literally. Alright, guys, we made it. We parked way in the back because this parking lot is full, but look how funny this is. This truck got boxed in by all these Supras, bro. If the owner comes back to the truck, he cannot get out, bro. It's completely boxed in.
I like the deal.
I think it's 46 TEs. Those are sick, bro. Oh my god, look at this. Is that a cop or no? I don't know how people do that. Isn't that so illegal? Look at the Supra, guys. That shit is slammed, like literally on the floor, bro. It looks clean though with the wheels. Supra, low-key looks like Gustavo's car. Every car, every Supra with a tire just reminds me of Gustavo. And carbon hood. I feel like Gustavo kind of started the trend. And now everyone does it, bro. Even Teslas have TEs on it. That's crazy.
KWs.
It looks clean. Alright. Sheesh, it's a V8 one, I think. You can hear it. Another one, guys. Look, Gustavo's twin. Hey, Gustavo. Hey, Gustavo. Bro, these things are so tall, bro. That shit's huge. I feel like you can run over all these cars. My boy's slapping in there. Another GTR, guys. Look. That one's really clean. My boy looks like he just bought it. I remember mine used to be mint. Oh, this is hard. I feel like I have this exact car in Forza with the big wing too. Damn, there's hella sick cars. Oh my god. Full carbon fiber Lambo. I've seen this one a lot, but it's literally all carbon fiber. The entire car. Look at that. That's crazy. Everything's carbon. And then the Nismo. Oh my god, another one. The GTR's everywhere, bro. Urus's. Damn, this shit's hard. What's the homie's car? I think he's trying to sell it too. Fast guy, bro.
What's up, bro?
What's up, dude? Damn, that shit is loud. That thing sounds sick, bro. God damn, that shit's loud. He's barely stepping on it. It's so loud. I heard he shoots crazy planes. Let's see if he does it. I feel like I'm in Fast and Furious right now. This thing's loud, dude. You ready? My boy shoots crazy flames, guys. Do it! You think he'll do it? I don't know. You guys remember this one though from the last vlog? Guys, look at this GTR. This is sick, bro. I think it's Liberty Walk. Wide body GTR. That's crazy. Look at the exhaust, guys. That is crazy. I'm looking at a center exit exhaust. What if we did that, guys? Someone's revving the hell out of a McLaren, but there's no way for me to film it. There's way too many people. Man, this thing sounds sick. Rap, rap, rap. They have to be one of the sickest sounding cars. It sounds crazy, bro. My boy has my hoodie on, look. He has the merch. I'm about to scare him right now. He's not gonna have no idea. I'm gonna be like, yo, where do you get that? Excuse me, bro, where do you get that hoodie at, bro?
Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck?
I seen the hoodie from far. I was like, hey, that's my hoodie. That's crazy, bro. Thanks for copying it. I appreciate it.
Love your videos, bro.
Oh my god, the meeting's turning crazy. God This is getting crazy, guys. But what is going on over here? Look at this. This is turning into a takeover. This is getting crazy. Let's see a GTR. Oh, it's not a GTR. I thought it was a GTR, bro. God damn. What the heck, bro? What's up, Nate? What's up? This is crazy, guys. My God, look at this. This is insane. I don't know what's going on, guys, but no way this is happening right now. Alright guys, I think this is my time to go because it's gonna take forever to get out of here. Damn! The fastest GTR in SoCal. Yeah, I wish, is back. I'm back, bro. I'm back. My boy messed up his engine, but it's finally back, and this thing is crazy. Look at that. This thing is sick, though, guys. That same lid, roll cage. Look at the tires set up. Oh, that shit is hard. It's really fast. I heard it's like 12 horsepower. My boy will smoke everyone here right now. Alright guys, I'm about to leave the car meet now. This is the scary part. Leaving the car meet without getting pulled over is the most riskiest part of the night. Hopefully we make it out of here without any cops. Damn bro, this looks insane. Look at this, guys. Everybody is doing burnouts. Everybody. This meet literally turned into a takeover, bro. I feel kind of bad for the owner, but that's crazy, dude. I should be over there filming, guys, but I'm sorry. I don't want to get a state ref. I'm trying to get out of here before the cops pull up. I'm sorry. Man, what is that? R8? This is hard. Oh, it's a helicopter. Damn, bro. I wonder if they're going to get the guy doing the burnout. They're putting a light right on the guy doing the burnout, bro. Oh, no. CHP. Guys, I'm scared. I hope we make it out of here without any tickets. It's getting crazy right now. It literally feels like we're in a Fast and the Furious movie, guys. Trying to get out of here when all the cops show up. Everyone, you just see all the cars just scatter. Damn, bro, this is crazy. Nick! I just hear people screaming my name. You guys are crazy, bro. Alright, guys, we made it to In-N-Out. We got away from the cops, thankfully. A cop actually followed us into the parking lot, which is kind of scary, but look, some other GTRs met up with us. Now there's 3 of us. Damn. Squad, bro. Look at my wheel setup. This shit's so fire. Look, the cop's literally following us, bro. He's waiting.
Just circled around.
He wants us, bro. Look at. I know he wants to pull us over.
It was a purple GTR.
That was not me. Alright guys, we got our in and out, and now we are out. We have hella people here. Look at this. We literally brought a whole car meet to In and Out. What's up, Dyke?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.